Do you know LinkedIn.com? Are you looking for a job and don't know what to do? This website will help you with strategies for your employment. Enter LinkedIn.com in your browser.com. Then log in with email. And click Next on the home page. You can see Contact, Expand Your Network, Invitation, Premium Test Pages, Groups, Events, Hashtags Followed You. Can also see what people are posting on my network. What you can do now is click on Network, click on Contact, Contacts, People I Follow, Events, Pages, Newsletters, Hashtags. In Jobs you can find My Jobs, Job Alerts, Salary, Skills Assessments, Job Search Guidance. Application Settings. In Messages, you can find your message box. And in Notifications you can find what the page shows you to stay informed. So, you can search from the comfort of your home for a favorable job for you.